If a customer typed a question into your Google listing last year, you could answer it directly. That feature is gone now. Google killed it quietly at the end of 2025, and I'd bet money nobody told you. Here's what happened. For years, your Google business profile had a Q&A section. Someone asks, "Do you offer emergency service?" You answer it, done, controlled, direct, in your own words. Google shut it down in late 2025. No big announcement, no warning email, it just disappeared. So what replaced it? Google Posts, the short updates you publish directly to your profile. But here's the part that matters. Posts aren't answers to questions, they're broadcasts. And AI search engines don't just want broadcasts, they want structured, current information they can pull from and cite. But that's actually the small story. Here's the big one. A year ago, only 6% of people used AI tools, ChatGPT, Google AI Mode, Gemini, to find a local business. A plumber, an HVAC company, an electrician. That number right now is 45. Not in 5 years, not projected. Right now, according to Bright Local's 2026 survey, that's a 7x jump in 12 months. And Google's AI overviews, the AI written answer block at the top of the search results, now show up on as much as 68% of local searches, often above the map pack, above the businesses that spent years ranking there. So think about what that means. Your customer isn't scrolling through 10 blue links anymore. They're reading one AI-generated paragraph with 2 or 3 sources cited, and if you're not one of those 2 or 3 sources, you don't exist to that customer. It doesn't matter that you rank number 1 organically. 0 click means 0 call. Here's the part almost nobody talks about. What's actually feeding these AI answers? It's mostly your reviews, and not your total review count, not even your star rating. It's how recent they are. Reviews from the last 90 days now carry more weight than 100 5-star reviews from 3 years ago. So if your last review came in 6 months ago, you're not just missing out on new customers reading it. You're telling the AI itself that your business might not be active anymore. So 2 things to check this week. Is your Google profile actually feeding AI what it needs? Structured data, fresh reviews, real answers. And are you showing up when someone asks ChatGPT or Google AI Mode for a business like yours? Comment the word audit below and I'll run your free AEO scan and show you exactly where you stand.